Hi guys, I'm Ben Fisher and my award-winning theatre company performs at events and festivals all over the world. We bring the works of famous German writers and dramatists such as Bertolt Brecht to audiences across the globe. In true dramatic style, our latest production of Brecht's The Good Person of Sichuan has just been hit by disaster. An electrical fire destroyed the arts centre where we were performing in London and took with it all our costumes and equipment. Fortunately, nobody was in the building at the time and nobody was injured in the fire. We know one day the insurance company will eventually pay the compensation to rebuild and replace everything, but we need to complete our world tour now and can't wait around for the money to arrive. Can you help us? We need to raise 10,000 euros in the next few weeks to replace everything. I promise all donations to our cause will be repaid when we receive the insurance payout. Not only that, depending on the size of your donation, you will receive discounts on tickets and even free tickets to see our play in any city of your choice on the tour. Just see our website for more details. As Brecht himself once said, everyone needs help from everyone. By contributing to our disaster fund, you will be doing your bit to support community arts and help our young theatre group to literally rise from the ashes. Thank you.
My name's Alison Chadwick, and this is my story. I started my t-shirt business, Alison's Tees, back in university as a hobby. Friends and fellow students used to ask me where I got my t-shirts from, and when I told them I designed them myself, everyone said that was cool. Then I thought, anyone can design their own t-shirt. It's simple, it's fun, and it's creative. On my website, you can choose the color and style, but more than that, you can have any design or logo you like printed on it, including photos to make your very own unique t-shirt. Friends will be amazed. Before we finally produce the t-shirt, you'll receive a photo of the design for final approval. No more shopping for hours looking for something you actually like. No more low-quality, shop-bought products. All our t-shirts are 100% organic cotton and ethically sourced. We're helping independent cotton farmers. We work hand in hand with our suppliers to ensure highest quality tees. Thanks to previous crowdfunding, our business has been a big success. Now we need your support and your money to help us develop our mobile app so our users can design and order their own tees on their smartphones, anytime, anywhere.
If you like traveling, you'll love our new tour guide mobile app. It's like an audio guide, but on your mobile phone, so you can carry it with you all the time. I'm Marcos Lopez, and I'm one of the founders of Holidap. It's the ultimate travel companion. It's like having an audio guide, but on your smartphone. You'll never want to buy another guidebook or tourist map again in your life. You'll find out about the places you're visiting whenever you want in a new, original, and entertaining way. Our app is free to download and quick and easy to use. Enter the desired location, and for just 10 euros, you will get an expert guide to one of over 30 destinations in Europe and the USA. And the list of places is growing longer each month. The guide features audio tours by experts in their towns, from qualified tour guides to local storytellers of all ages, with a passion for the place where they live. Our platform is free to our guide contributors, and they receive 70% of the revenues generated by their guides. Each travel guide on our app comes with high-quality photographs and can use your geolocation to help you get the most from your guide. We need your backing to help us cover the cost of production, audio recording, programming, and photography. We'd also love to hear what you think of the guides so we can keep improving our service. Thank you.